Imagine PokeBalls ever becoming a reality? How cool would it be to have a Greninja or a Charizard as a companion, right? The question is though, how would a Pokeball work in real life, and would Pokeballs work the way we know? What's up guys, MatBlockGreninja here presenting you a video on Can Pokeballs exist in real life? Guys, references in the description of this video. If we can train a dog how to use his senses for our benefit, why can't we train and harness the supersonic sound waves of a Crobat? We know Pokemon are wild animals with supernatural powers who are able to spew flames, shoot electricity, etc. Pokemon become pocket monsters once their trainers who capture them, train them to harness their supernatural ability and store them in Pokeballs as companions. For Pokeballs to work in real life, we would have to invent technology to shrink physical objects or organisms to fit into Pokeballs. The good news is though that this type of technology isn't far-fetched, since scientists in the field of quantum entanglement were able, not too long ago, to teleport atoms 3 meters away with 100% accuracy. According to the scientists, nothing in the laws of physics fundamentally stops the teleportation of large objects, including humans. Perhaps, a real-life Pokeball could work as portable teleporting system whereby, instead of storing living things into the Pokeball, the living things would just teleport to another medium until it's time for them to come out. An obstacle to overcome, of course, would be to physically shrink and enlarge living things without altering their genetic makeup. We know Pokemon alters into a red light beam as it's about to exit and enter a Pokeball. We would have to find an efficient way to transform matter into energy, as well as a way to deconstruct and reorganize the entire atoms of a being. I guess one workaround could be to store Pokemon as data or energy. Data seems more feasible, as it would be a case of creating original data versions of things by compressing things down to size on an atomic level in order to preserve DNA, so to end up with a digitally stored copy of the original. If a living thing was to be stored in a Pokeball as energy, how would energy be able to store memory though? In other words, how would the living thing be able to spawn into matter from energy? You would need some type of super small memory chip device inside the Pokeball that would contain all the instructions of the atom arrangement of the living thing in order to reassemble it exactly. Perhaps the answer is BioKinesis? Through BioKinesis it is reported one can reprogram one's cells and DNA by the use of the power of mind meditation, and apparently, people have actually been able to change their eye color by the simple use of BioKinesis. Perhaps, biological manipulation could be the answer for shrinking Pokemon? Now I let you guys to speculate. I am working on a theory of Pokemon existing in real life. So subscribe to get updates on my videos. If you really liked this theory, please leave a like, as it gives me confidence to keep up my work and help you to gain knowledge. Thank you for watching, and pray to Lord.